Hi friend, my name is Shrikanta and you watching review YouTube channel. Welcome my YouTube channel. Today I am taking about Poco X3 mobile phone. If you new my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Introduce new mobile Poco X3. This mobile available 3 different variant. First 6GB RAM, 64GB ROM at 16,999. Second 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM at 18,499. And last one 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM at 19,999. The phone comes with a 6.67-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels. Poco X3 is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor. The Poco X3 runs Android 10 and is powered by a 6000 mAh battery. Apex performance octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor, Adreno 618, 6GB LPDDR4X RAM. And to comparison, what was fast now gets faster. Feel the power surge through your hands with Qualcomm's fastest 4G. Redefined smoothness, reality flow, 120Hz refresh rate. The 120Hz refresh rate screen is a paradigm shift in how you used your phone daily. You can never go back, trust us. The Poco X3 comes with one of the fastest display with 240Hz touch sampling rate to boost your gaming advantage. This mobile 6.67-inch display HDR10 2400x1080 high resolution 20:9 aspect ratio 91.25% ultra high screen to body ratio TUV Rhineland low blue light certification. Last till enter 96,000 mAh battery, 33W fast charging technology, 26% faster charge in a single full charge. Can support 14 hours of gaming, 31 hours of videos play, 45 hours of 4G calling. Connected quad camera setup, 4 unique lenses, 1 amazing setup. Unleash your creativity with innovative filters and AI. Skyscape 3.0. 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle cameras, 64-megapixel main camera, 2-megapixel macro camera, 2-megapixel depth camera, and 20-megapixel AI selfie camera. Liquid cool technology plus 3D heat dissipation, game at full speed. Killer software to back the hardware. Game Turbo 3.0 for an even more customizable gaming experience.